This is the Looptrotter Audio Engineering Monster Compressor, a 3U powerhouse of a stereo or dual mono compressor limiter with valve saturation circuit. The Monster is not what you might call a transparent dynamics processor. This is a character compressor at its finest. The controls are divided into three main sections. The FET compressor limiter has all the normal controls you'd expect to find, like attack, release, input gain and output. There is no threshold control, meaning the amount of gain or limiting is determined by the input signal. The tube or valve section allows you to switch between gentle saturation or full-on second-order harmonic boost. Both these sections can be bypassed individually. Finally, we hit the master section with its mix control for parallel processing and master output. The center control section is home to the main power switch, the channel link switch, meter selection, and the channel true bypass switches. So this all looks great so far. Let's have a listen to the Monster in action. You're going to hear a stereo drum recording. First with the Monster in true bypass, then we kick it in and start getting down and dirty with compression. This time we hear a bass part, first in bypass, then with the Monster in limiter mode. The Looptrotter Audio Engineering Monster Compressor is available now from KMR, the home of professional audio.